I've got a 1946 Singer model 1590. Serial number is AG641355. And I have 6 layers of denim. They were already stitched once for a photo used in the ad. And just to show you how well the machine stitches. There you can see it's got equal stitch, except for the area where I back tacked. And now I have 4 layers of vinyl upholstery. Again, these were already stitched once. You can see that is an equal stitch. And next I have a 1/8 inch thick piece of belt. It's sort of made of leather and vinyl, or like a vinyl coated leather. There you can see, same thing, equal stitch.